Hello and welcome to Lodium Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to create a load test script on Lodium. You can use Record and Play module on Lodium to create load test scripts. It consists of two parts. The first is the Recorder extension, and the second is the script editor. You can install Lodium Recorder for your Chrome browser from Chrome Web Store. Search for Lodium Recorder, and then add the extension to your Chrome browser. This extension allows you to record your HTTP actions on a website. You can utilize this by recording a certain action you want to include in your script. Pressing the record button will start a recording session, then you can take your actions on a website. You can track the amount of recorded HTTP requests by the number next to the collection name. Optionally, you can filter the recorded requests by entering the desired pattern. After you are finished with the recording, you can click on the Run Test. This will take the recorded requests and direct you to the editing page on Lodium. On Lodium editing page, you can manage each request's configuration. You can enter a name for the request that will be used to refer on the report page. You can edit its type and URL address. You can add or remove request headers and query parameters. You can add assertions to expect certain outputs from a request's results. This can be an HTTP status code, a JSON variable value, or a response body and header value. The assertion results can be seen on the report page while the test is running. You can extract values from requests' results and save them in variables to be used on following requests. You can extract with a JSON path, regex, or CSS selector. You can also create global variables to be used anywhere in the script. Click on the Global Variables tab. Add global variable. Enter its name, value, and description. You can then refer to this variable anywhere in the script with this notation. You can create new requests, change their order, and add delays between them with timers. During your editing, remember to save your work with Save Draft button. You can download the saved draft as JMX to open it on JMeter, or as JSON to export it for later usage. You can re-import the previously downloaded JSON file to continue your work. After you are finished editing the script, you can click on Save Test button to save the script and test configurations, or run it directly with Run Test button. This is how you can create a load test script on Lodium. For more guides and information, you can check out our YouTube channel or visit lodium.com. Thanks for watching.